Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we have an unboxing of this fake Air Force Ones that I got from off Winion. I ordered them in size, I believe 43, which is like a US 9.5. I used We Go By as my agent. Um, and when I ordered, I just asked them to not include the shoe box, because so it's like a little bit cheaper on the shipping. So here's the like the lift shoe. Like my first impressions were of these were of this shoe was very nice. It looked very authentic. Yeah, then I got the right shoe. Yeah, and I was blown away because to be honest, I wasn't expecting much. I thought that they were gonna be like low quality, like you could tell that they were fake, but like if you put them next to the real thing, like you just like you wouldn't like notice the difference, to be honest. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys like the shoe, like all sides of the shoe. Like the thing I was impressed by was the like that middle thing on the laces. Oh, however, like I noticed on the holes on the toe box that it maybe was like a little too close, like to like the laces, or like that bit. And yeah, but like the stitching and like the quality of the leather was very good. It's very spot on, I think. And they're just showing you like closer look, and here's like the insole. It's got it's got like the 82 and everything. All right, so thanks for watching, and please subscribe.